In front of me is Nokia 5310, and let me show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, you need to open menu, then find and select settings, right here they are, and go to tones. And at first you will notice ringtone, so smoothly click to open, pick the SIM card for which you would like to change it. And it's working the same, so it doesn't matter. And now just pick the sound that you would like to apply. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, Seahorse is our phone ringtone for second SIM. And as I told you, you can do the same action for the second one. For example, Brooke, tap on OK, and it has been applied as well. So this is it. That will be all. So you can set ringtones. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.